Daddy, what'd you bring me?
Now don't be scaring your dad like that. You know what I brought you.
Is that all?
Grab your book, boy. I'll read it to you by the tree.
But where are all the presents at, Daddy?
I'm just kidding with you, boy. You know, you've been pretty good this year. Not great, pretty good. But I wasn't going to get you anything, but I went down to the liquor store on 34th Street, and you could say there was a miracle at the liquor store on 34th Street. I ran into one of my old buddies, St. Nick. Kris Kringle. You know Kris Kringle. Santa Claus. And he got a little something for you. He said, now give this to little Danny boy. And so...
A Ninja Turtle! Have a Merry Christmas!
Have a Merry Christmas! Ho, ho, ho!